Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smartsheet account step by step clearly. To activate your Smartsheet account, begin by visiting the Smartsheet website. Once you are on the home page, look for the login option, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. On the login page, search for the sign up or activate account link. Click on that link to be directed to the account activation page. Enter the email address you used to register for Smartsheet. Next, check your email for a message from Smartsheet. Open the email and locate the activation link provided within it. Click on the activation link to move forward. You will be redirected to a new page to set up your password. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it a second time in the designated field. After entering your password, click the Activate Account button. Once your account is activated, you will be taken to the Smartsheet dashboard. Here, you can begin exploring the features available to you. If you encounter any issues, revisit your email and ensure the activation link hasn't expired. For further assistance, consult Smartsheet's customer support resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.